Yo, it's real guys, real talk. Let's go.
All right, everyone, welcome back to another Real Guys, Real Talk. Today, it's only me here, but I've got something cool planned for us. We're going to unbox a Topps Chrome UFC 2025 box. There's going to be 6 packs in this box. Each pack will hold 4 cards. Now, this is not Pokemon. This is UFC. In here, there could be autographs, there could be exclusive items, there could be some really cool things in here from retired fighters, the legends of the sport, the whole current roster. It's going to be good. It's going to be quick, but let's jump through this. Let's unbox this whole thing, and fingers crossed, we get something really cool to show off, and maybe something pretty valuable. We don't know yet, but everyone, stay tuned, drop a like, subscribe if you already haven't. Let's jump right into this and do a unboxing. Let's do this thing. All right, here we go. Let's unbox this UFC. Let's do it. First off, let's open the seal. There we go. Oh, my fingers are crossed. I really want something good, you know, like a Lyoto Machida. Oh, that would be awesome. Trying to get something really cool like that. But there we go. We have the full seal. Let's do this. All right, here we go. Here we go, guys. Let's see if we've got something fun, something bad. Let's see what we get. Oh boy. Here we go. All right, let's do this. So we got 1 card. Pretty basic packaging. Let's see. Let's see if they open up. Yep, they do. So the thing is, I don't know how these work, so I'm just going to go from the front. Okay. Oh, okay. These are all like hollows. Nice. So we got Santos. Pretty cool. Now, again, these are my first time I've actually ever opened these packs before. So I'm just going to do a quick little overview for each one. Molly McCain, great fighter. Troy Winters, I actually saw him fight not long ago. Fired up. Wait, oh, this is awesome. Okay, so our big one is Armin. So this guy, he is pretty much highly ranked right now in the UFC. He could be going for some championship belt. He's lightweight, and the cards are actually pretty nice. Because these are the first time, again, that I actually held these cards. So this is new for me as well. So I'm just taking my time to look at them for a second. I like that. That's cool. All right, so we got 1 pretty good card. I'm happy with that. That's not bad. This guy could be champion one day. Right now, I think he's number 1 in the ranking. So maybe we'll get something cool from him. Let's see. We got Jan. Jan, great heavyweight or light heavyweight. Great fighter. Awesome. Imov. He is a good fighter. I don't know him. And, oh. What? Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. So we got Sean Strickland, Allen, and Ginter? What? I don't know what this is. What is this? The World Championship. Oh, dude. Okay, this is cool. Is this like a sticker? I don't know if this is a sticker. I'm holding up a little closer for you to see. That is awesome. I was thinking this was signed. If this was autographed, oh, man. But okay, Sean Strickland, let's go. He was a UFC champion. That is very cool. I am happy with that. So far, only 2 packs in, 2 really good cards. I was not expecting that. That's cool. I'm going to put those there and line up all my other cards over here. Nothing autographed yet. Maybe we'll get lucky. You never know. What is this? Andre Muniz. He's a good fighter. Trey Waters. We just had one of those, so a duplicate. Saint Denis, he's good. And wait a minute, I think I know this. I think I know this girl. Tabitha Richey. Huh. That's a cool one. Fire it up. Let's go. 3 decent cards and 1 really good card with Sean Strickland. And we got 3 packs left. Let's do this. But, you know, all you got a duplicate out of only 3 packs? I mean, come on. Aline Perez. Good fighter. Sergey. Oh, that's cool. He is a legend. Good old Sergey. Imov. And Bilal Muhammad, top of the class. Oh, that is cool. Okay, so this guy is a champion. So we got 2 UFC champion cards. Now, the thing is, with UFC cards, I don't know them. I am not really versed in them. I just know that if they're autographed, then we know. But I'm saving their main cards because I do know that some of these could be worth something more valuable. Like these 2 really are top of the class. Not going to lie. So Muhammad and Strickland, these are good. Those are pretty cool fighters to have right there. So nothing insane. You know, I want an Alex Pereira. That would be like amazing. But hey, there we go. Actually, this is crazy. So we have Israel Adesanya. And in this fight right here, this card is the one that they talk about on the back of this card because this is where he pretty much beat him pretty bad. Sean Strickland beat him. So, oh, Joanna. Oh, now she is a great, great female fighter. One of the best. Yeah. Yeah, she is really, really powerful and strong. That is a cool card to have. Adrian Yanez. And right there, look at that. Okay. So just like that, we're talking about Joanna. We got her champion card. That is cool. So we actually got her championship card because she did hold the belt for strawweight. So we do have really cool cards. Okay, this is nice. So we got 3 champion cards. I don't know the rarity of these, but that is cool. And the last pack. Last pack for us. We're going to jump into here. Hopefully, you never know. You never know. We might get something really cool in here. But we already actually got some awesome cards. Pereira Rodriguez, the wrong Pereira. I've seen this guy fight. Shamil Gazev? This guy seems familiar. Jan Matsumoto. And Misha Tate. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, that's cool. Misha Tate, Brooklyn, New York. Oh, that is cool. So, Misha got a pretty big win over Holly Holm. And there it is, guys. All the cards are unpacked. We have some pretty good ones here. We got Misha Tate. We got this Tabitha. I believe I've seen her. She's pretty good. We've got Arman, a runner-up for the champion. We got Bilal Muhammad. He is insane with his striking. We got Joanna and Strickland. Let's do this. Out of 6 packs, this was cool. So these cards are more expensive to buy than normal cards. These are the UFC. These are pretty rare and hard to get. You have to join wait lists, etc., just to get these cards. And I'm really happy we're able to unbox them for you. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe down below. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Let me know if any of these cards are valuable. Again, I am not a UFC card person. These are the first ones that are opened, but if there is something that you've seen that is more valuable than the others, let me know down below. And on the channel, we do a bit of everything from unboxings to cool videos to podcasts. We go at it here on Real Guys Real Talk. And everyone, till next time, I'll see you.